రికార్డ్ కూడా అవుతుంది 1 minute ముందు. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ మధులిక. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ రామ్ సూర్య.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సిని. Good evening. Okay, have you completed this? Good evening, Hamsini. Have you completed this JNVST 1987 paper?
Yes, sir.
This was the first Navodaya question paper. This in India. So, mental ability you have to explain. Okay, I will leave this. We'll go for passages. In this first part is there in your syllabus. English grammar. Okay, it will be useful for your English grammar skills. No problem. You can do this also. But in final exam, they are giving 4 passages. Mainly, they are giving passages. Okay. So, encircle the alphabet of the right circle. Who is that?
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay,
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, this one. Encircle the alphabet of right answer for the following questions. In innocent girl, the antonym of innocent. Innocent girl. M Hamsini or T Hamsini, you all are innocent girls. So what is the opposite word of innocent girl? Anyone on the class?
Naughty. Naughty.
Yes, very good.
Naughty.
What is the opposite word of antonym of intelligent? Anyone in the class? Foolish. Or
Foolish.
some more words also there. What is the opposite word of intelligent? You tell.
Unwise.
Okay, sharp. Sharp. Blunder. Yes, blunt. Blunder mistake. Some like that also is blunt. Opposite words of these all things. Okay. In the exam, mostly they are not giving, but it's useful. They may ask, no problem. You have to practice. Practice is most important. Okay. Understood what in the innocent girl? Innocent girl. You have to visualize what is innocent girl. You can take one example. She is innocent girl. Like that. So the antonym of innocent is naughty.
Naughty.
Next, in sweet medicine, the antonym of sweet medicine.
Salt.
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 Bitter.
Salt.
Yes, sour.
Salt.
Haughty means antonym
Sour.
of haughty. Antonym of haughty, cooler. Cool, cold.
Cold.
Antonym of salt, it will be not there. Actually, salt is won't get. Bitter. Antonym of bitter. Bitter antonym.
Sweet.
No. Antonym of bitter. Anyone in the class? Wait, I will Google you. Sour. Bitter. You can search like this. Having sharp, pungent taste, smell. Bitter is a smell. What's the difference between smell and taste? You will get your mother's food. You will get what smell? Opposite word of bitter smell you will get. Antonym sweet smell. But you should not use sweet. Not sweet. What will call? Smell, beautiful smell, good smell. We will use what special word for good smell. Antonym of bitter. Good also is coming as antonym of okay. So, but in this sweet also there, have you seen? So that's why. Wait. In exam hall, if these type of questions will come, what you will do? In sweet, it will get. But in the sweet medicine, means in the medicine you won't get smell. I think so. You won't. Maximum you won't get smell of the medicine. So, but at final, what I will do? Shall I tell? I will tell once. Wait. In the exam hall, what you have to do means you have to pick anyone, means sour or bitter, and you have to leave this question. Why? Because if you go on thinking this question means when you will do these two passages, when you will complete these three questions, okay, 1 mark is important, or remaining this 19 marks. How many marks total? 25 marks. So one mark, one mark quarter is important, or 22. Wait. 1.25 ఉంటుంది remaining. So you have to think that 1.25 is important, or 22.75 marks is important. So 22.75 marks is important. So if these type of questions will come, means you can pick this type of somewhat relevant, sour or bitter. You can keep anyone and you must leave. So that's why I'm telling the approach, how to approach these previous year questions. You have to leave this, but I told you to leave with ticking the answer, means with writing the answer, means I'm telling you to leave. That doesn't mean that you should leave the answer. You have to write any one answer, means relevant, sour or bitter also will come. So if you write any one answer, only you will have one choice only now. That's why you can choose one answer and you leave. So time is most important. You should not go and sticking with this. So till now we have also wasted, I think, 5 minutes completed for these two questions. Next, find odd one out of these words. So in while sir given now, what your which answer you picked while sir has given second answer? Everyone in the class, which answer you have chosen? Sour also will carton, bitter also bitter. Okay, you remember this. Sour is in taste. Sour means taste, bad taste. Bitter means in smell. It smells bad. It's bitter smell, sour taste. Okay, we have discussed now. Here only we have seen sour, bitter images. I'll click. Sour also images I'm keeping. You can also search like this. See, sour means you felt that very difficult. They are feeling that taste. They are feeling that bad. Means somewhat opposite to sweet feeling. And bitter means smell. See there. Is somewhat relevant. Okay, bitter smell. They are given in this also antonyms. These many antonyms they have given. Bitter means it's adjective. Good, sweet also will come. So that's why you may pick two answers, but anyone you will get only one chance now. So you can choose one and you must leave the answer. Okay. Next, find out the add word of the following: nice, ugly, beautiful, appear to be beautiful. What's the add word? Add word. Add man out. Same like add man out, but add word out. You have to remove add word. Nice, ugly, beautiful, appear to be beautiful. Everyone in the class. Everyone in the class. Absolutely ugly is wrong answer. Wrong answer. Why wrong answer? They have told you to choose add word of the following. Add word. Add word. They have told you to choose add word. Ugly is related to beautiness. Beautiful means this also related to beautiness, means face beauty, means appearance, means how he is appearing in terms of beautiness. If you check in terms of beautiness, appear to be beautiful. But nice means we can take this in many ways. I am nice. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are you? Yes, I am nice. I am nice. This is nice picture. You can use beautiful picture also. So in this also, this is also somewhat typical question. In this also, these type of questions they are not asking in updated question papers. But in this also you have to choose. Okay, ugly also will come in the sense if this beautiful and appearing to be beautiful and nice are related to beautiful. Okay, related to beautiful. But ugly will come when these are beautiful. But here D option is given that appear to be beautiful means they are acting like they are going to be beautiful. So appear to be beautiful. So this also some typical question. So but you can keep ugly or nice also will be answer. But nice will come first priority. These all are related to beautiful. But these type of different question also exam they won't ask. If they ask, what you have to pick? Nice, because but add man out they are giving, add what out they are not giving. So but you have to choose nice. Nice is different and ugly beautiful appearance also different. These all are appearance. These all are how the people is looking. Okay. Next, complete the following with the right word. She dash her sorrowful story. She dash her sorrowful story. She sang her sorrowful story, described her sorrowful story, explained her sorrowful story, talked her sorrowful story.
Explained.
Yes, explained her sorrowful story. But in sometimes, yes,
Explained.
yes, very good. Yes, very good. Sometimes described also will come.
Explained.
But first priority explained. You have to choose
Explained.
first priority. Okay. These
Explained.
type of all the questions
Explained.
also. Yes, very good. We have chosen first
Explained.
priority. So see, listen how to approach. So main thing first how you should approach. You have to select the first priority. Your first priority, and then you go ahead. Means because this English they will give like that only. Means if they give like this only, they can pick the 80 members in the district. Okay, understood. They have to pick the 80 members in the district. Means this they want to, if all will get 100 marks means how they can choose. Okay, so to confuse the children, if some people what they will do, if some people will go on reading this first 5 questions and leaving this passage. So that's why this is last questions, no? Yes, it's maths also they may leave. So you should not stick to this type of questions. You fastly keep any question and go ahead. Okay. First priority is our passage. In the passage only there will be the correct answers and absolute answers. You can get full to full marks. But these type of questions, maximum they have deleted this part actually. This language grammar part is not there. But for practice of your English grammatical skills, you can go ahead. Okay. Next, write correct compound sentence of following 2 sentences. Means you have to combine these sentences. What's the answer? Suresh had his meal. He went to school. What's the answer? After having his meal, Suresh went to school. While having his meal, Suresh went to school. Immediately after having his meal, Suresh went to school. Having his meal, Suresh went to school.
Option A. Option 1.
Very good. Option
Option
A.
A.
His meal, Suresh went to school, sir. Option A.
Yes, option A is absolute answer. Okay, okay, right.
Option
No, option B is not will come. Immediately after having his meal, Suresh went to school means it will not come. Just after having meal. After B, C, why won't come? I will tell C. Immediately after having his meal, Suresh went to school means
Option C, sir.
Option
Immediately
D.
after having
Option C, sir.
Option Option
C will come only 50% because see, wait. Immediately after having his meal, Suresh went to school means just after having your meal, you directly go to school, or you will comb your
Option
head,
3.
or you will wear shoes. After wearing shoes, you will have your meal. Or tell me the answer. Understood? Okay. Immediately after having his meal is not proper answer because you are the student. You feel you are the student. After having your meal, you will go, or after having your meal, you will wear shoes and that one. Na? So after completion of your meal, you will go to the school. Okay. Option is A is the absolute answer. Okay. Okay, I will give chance, or I will ask one. Now in this, I will ask parts of speech also today. Yesterday I told to ask you parts of speech, but yesterday I have forgotten. But today I must ask everyone. So you go on reading, okay? You also go on reading with me. Read the following passage and answer the questions that followed. One day a person was walking on the road of Calcutta. There he saw an old man is in miserable state. There he saw an old man in a miserable state. Then the person asked the old man sympathetically, brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. The old man hesitated a minute to answer an unknown person. The old man hesitated a minute to answer an unknown person. Later, the old man replied, I am very poor and I took a loan from a money lender to get my daughter's marriage. Though I tried hard, I did not repay the loan. The money lender wanted to take legal action on me. Then the unknown person inquired about the court where the suit was filed and the date of next hearing. The old man gave the details. On the date of hearing, the old man waited in the court for his name to be called, but the court did not call on his name. The old man was very much worried and inquired the reason for not calling his name. The court people told him that the debt due that the court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and the suit was revoked. On hearing this, the old man felt very happy. The old man came to know that the person who inquired about his loan on the road have repaid the loan. The unknown person on Calcutta roads was no one other than the great social reformer Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar. It's such a wonderful story they have given. How many of you understood? Show your thumb if you are understood. Akshara, show your thumb if you are understood, or else if you show your thumb like this, if you won't understood, be honest in this. Understood or not understood? Okay, I won't say if you understand very good. If you won't understand also very bad, I won't tell anything. For being honest, I will tell you good, best person. You are excellent children. Show your thumb. Everyone is in the class, not showing your thumb. Everyone in the class. First, I will ask parts of speech. I will select some people and I will ask the parts of speech first priority. Okay. In this passage, first sentence I will go. One day, a person was walking on the road of Calcutta. In this, Simon with what is walking? What's the parts of speech of walking? What's the parts of speech of walking? Okay, you can wait for 3 seconds. If you are unable to tell, you can mute yourself again. I will give chance to others. What is the parts of speech of walking? Walking. Unmute first. You unmute and tell the answer. You didn't unmuted your okay. Tell.
Sir, I
Tell me
can't.
fast. Okay, very good. Okay, right. Okay. Next, Revant, what's the parts of speech of walking?
Sir, interjection.
Absolutely wrong answer. Next, Yashwant Rushi, what's the parts of speech of walking?
Verb.
Very good. Why verb? You tell me that there's that part. What will there now? That walk, and those all you tell verb forms of walking. Walk. Who will tell verb forms of walk?
Walk, walked, walking.
Very good. Walk, walking. Very good. Very good. So by seeing this, you can tell, okay, no problem. Remaining people, I will appreciate you for your honesty. Okay, but you have to learn. If you are unable to tell means it's not your mistake. But if you are not learning means it's your mistake only. Okay, you have to learn. Okay, so what's the meaning of walking? Walking. What is the parts of speech? Parts of speech of walking is verb. This verb form is walk, walking. Okay, very good. Next, one day a person. Bonus 3. What is the parts of speech of person?
Person. Noun. Common noun.
Okay, very good. It is used commonly. Very good. Right. We use common noun means what? First of all,
Common noun. The name. The noun.
yes, you are.
The name.
Yes, commonly used. Yes, this person is commonly used for everyone. Okay, tell totally. You tell.
The names that used commonly are called common nouns.
Okay, very good. Yes, we are using this person as commonly to every person. Person means come. This also person. Here you are there. You are also persons. I am also one person. Person in the world. Person in India. Person in Telangana. Person in Peddapalli. Okay, next. What is the parts of speech of sorrow? Madhulika. What's the parts of speech of sorrow?
Sorrow, sir.
Yes. Sorrow. Reason for your sorrow. Sorrow means why, for what purpose we use sorrow. First of all, you tell me what is sorrow actually? Feeling
So
of
sorrow means
unhappy.
sad.
Yes,
So
sad,
happy.
happy. What these all things? What they are showing? Kindness means what they are showing. Some kind. Some they are what they are showing. Tell. I have given this much hint. You can tell the answer it easily. Okay, I will give chance to others. Okay, right. Very good. Okay, next, this Sayarsha. What is the parts of speech of sorrow? You are not seeing the videos. You have to see the videos of that parts of speech. So see the videos.
Noun.
Absolutely wrong answer. Next, Lakshmi Prasanna. Wait, Lakshmi Prasanna. What's the parts of speech of sorrow?
Sir, sorrow is an adjective.
Why adjective? Why? Tell me the reason. Reason is most important. Tell me the reason. Why sorrow is an adjective? You are told correct answer, but you tell me the reason also. Why what? What happened, Lakshmi Prasanna? Okay, Are you there in the
Sir?
class? Tell me the reason why sorrow is adjective.
Yes.
It is showing some kind, some feeling. The words which say the feeling, those all are adjective. She is beautiful. It's also one feeling. I am good. That's also showing some kind or feeling. Kind. I am kind to others. You tell me some examples. At least 5 examples of. You tell me 5 examples of adjective. Fastly. Don't waste the time. Lakshmi Prasanna. 5 examples of adjective. Who can tell? Raise your hands. Other than I have told the words I have, except the words I have told in the class. I have told in the class. Okay. Peace, kind, happy, beautiful, white color, white color, angry, more, okay, enough. Next we'll go for the passage. It's time is yes, okay. Next okay, you are didn't watch the videos. I pick two more questions, then I have to leave. Okay, next what is the parts of speech of
Watch videos, 7 to 2 videos again and again.
Okay, today I am leaving you this asking about parts of speech. Tomorrow onwards, I will ask everyone. You have to tell. You must tell. First, you watch the videos of Shravanti teacher, English parts of speech videos. Sir has sent that playlist. Okay. Again, also I will send you that playlist. Okay. You must watch today and tomorrow also. Before I will start the class, I will ask everyone. Everyone have to tell the answers and everyone have to tell the reasons and some examples also. Okay, real life examples. Tomorrow not there, day after tomorrow, Monday onwards. Okay, you must be strict, must be very conscious and very serious. Okay, I must see seriousness in you. Okay, next I will go ahead with reading. One day, see, this is such a beautiful incident. I think this was real incident happened in the early 90s. I think they are telling that incident happened in India. One day a person, listen carefully first, now listen properly. So if you understand, okay, you go on reading again, but now you listen. One day a person was walking on a road of Calcutta. Some person is walking on a roads of Calcutta. There he saw an old man in a miserable state. The person, so every sentence is interlinked, so you have to concentrate fully on this passage only. So if you wander other anything is surround to you, you can't concentrate. You have to concentrate only on the passage. One day a person was walking on roads of Calcutta. There he saw an old man in a miserable state. This person saw, while he was walking on the road, he saw an old man in miserable state. Miserable means some sorrow. Okay, directly you can understand. If you go on reading this passage, you will understand what is the situation he is facing. Then the person asked the old man sympathetically, sympathy. He has some feeling, some sad about him, and ask like that. No need of explaining this and words. I'm go on reading perfectly. You will get understand. Okay, brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. The old man then here police upstop is started, so you have to be cautious. The old man hesitated. First here started, brother. He asked, if you ask some questions or some sentences, if discussion will happens, they will especially mention with the upstopis, two upstopis. Okay, brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. The person asked the old man, brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. Sympathetically he asked. Next, its next sentence started. The old man hesitated a minute. The old man hesitated a minute to answer an unknown person. Means he is unknown person only, na? Old man. For old man, he is also unknown person. These both are unknown person. Means because this person while walking on the road, he saw that old man. So these both are unknown to each other. They are strangers, both for them. Both are strangers to each other. They both don't know who is. Later, the old man, after some time, means after hesitating for 1 minute, later the old man replied, I am very poor. Replied. Here started two of his topics. You have to concentrate here. He is telling the incident of him. I am very poor and I took a loan from a money lender. Money lender means you have studied in a simple interest. You will take some interest with money with interest and amount. You have to return him amount with interest. You will take some principal amount and you have to return him with adding interest, and you have to return him with the total amount, means interest plus principal. Okay, I am very poor and I took loan. Loan means that if you take some money with the interest, okay, with some interest, simple interest you will calculate for that only. I am very poor and I took a loan from a money lender to get my daughter's marriage. So still he is telling means still his way of explaining, way of conveying is not completed. Here it was started. I am very poor and I took loan from a money lender to get my daughter's marriage. Though I tried hard, I did not repay the loan. The money lender wanted to take legal action on me. If any person take money from you, if you won't return means what you will do? You will take legal action on him. Okay. Next, here completed. What is happened? He told. Then the unknown person inquired about the court where the suit was filled and the date of next hearing. Then unknown person means the person who has listened his all sorrows, means sad his problems. Then the unknown person inquired about the court means he only took the responsibility and inquired about the court where the suit was filled. In some problems you can write, you can tell to the court that's only suit was filled and the date of next hearing. So the unknown person inquired about the court where the suit was filed. The case was filed. Okay, filed, and the date of next hearing. I think you all are listened these words in your cinemas or in some instance outside. The old man gave the details. So the old man gave the whole details of this, what happened, what from where he took. Okay, next, on the date of hearing, the old man waited in the court for his name to be called. So in the court they will call one by one name. First one they will call. I think this also you have seen in the movies. Some they will call one person and next they will call another person. So he is waiting on the date of hearing. The old man waited in the court for his name to be called, but the court did not call on his name. So, but the court didn't call his name. The old man was very much worried. Oh, the court is not caring me. What happened to me? I have to pay money for him now. So like that he is worried. The old man was very much worried and inquired the reason for not calling his name. He is also inquired why my name was didn't call. So the court people told him that the debt due means the amount, principal plus interest, those all the amount he have to pay to that money lender on his name was repaid, already paid totally, and the suit means that case file was revoked. This what's now we don't need. Okay, so the court people told him that the debt due on his name was repaid totally and the suit was revoked. On hearing this, the old man felt very happy. Okay, why we feel happy? Is all money was cleared. Already they have paid by someone. So who is that? The old man came to know that the person who inquired about his loan on the road have repaid the loan. Who's that? This old man hesitated a minute to answer unknown person. This unknown person. So, okay, now the person, the old man, the person who is hesitated by the old man, that person paid. Understood? This old man only paid. This who paid? Ishwar Chandra. Wait, here it will come. See, the old man came to know that person who inquired about his loan on the road means who inquired? That unknown person. And he is very hesitant to reply to that unknown person. The old man very hesitant and road have repaid the loan. The unknown person on Calcutta road was no one other than unknown person who is no one other than the great social reformer Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He is a social reformer. He is a great social reformer Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Okay, I will unmute everyone. Next, I will ask. I won't ask specific persons now. Which item of the old man attracted Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? The old man came across in his way. The old man was miserable state. The old man was waylaid. He was an old man. What? Which item old man attracted Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? Means unknown person. On the other, one day person was walking on the road. There he saw an old man in miserable state. Understood? Miserable state. So what's the answer? Which item the old man attracted Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? Anyone in the class?
Option 2. The old man was.
Yes. Option 2.
Option B.
The old man did not tell the reason for his misery because see, The old man did not tell the reason for his misery because Ishwar Chandra was famous man. The old man was very poor. The old man was in fixed to answer. Ishwar Chandra was an unknown person. Option what? Who told two?
Option D. Ishwar Chandra was
T for dog. T for dog is the absolute answer.
option D.
D is absolute answer. Why?
Sir, D.
The here see the answer is there. You go to the old man hesitated minute to answer. See,
Option D.
yes, the old man hesitated minute to answer an unknown person. He is hesitated because he is unknown person. Yes, the old man did not tell the
Option.
Parthu is there in the class. Parthu, if you're there in the class, you may tell me a good evening. Parthu is there in the class. No, he's not there. Okay. The old man did not tell the reason for his misery because Ishwar Chandra was unknown person. An unknown person can solve your problem. No, you should not believe in strangers.
No.
Stranger means what? Unknown persons. But this person solved because he is a social reformer. Social reformer means the people who solve the problems in the society. Those are called social reformer. So all unknown persons we can't believe. All unknown persons are social reformers. But social reformers are also unknown persons for us. Okay, I understood. So in this, Ishwar Chandra was unknown person for old man. Okay. Finally, for what reason the old man tell the reason for his misery? The old man did not feel that Ishwar Chandra was unknown person. The old man believed him. The old man needed his help. Ishwar Chandra was
The
very
old man believed him.
The old man believed him.
Sir, option B.
Option B.
very good. Option B for bigger. B for better. Answer what?
The old man believed him. The old man believed him. Sir, your voice is talking.
Okay. Then the person.
Sir, your voice is talking.
See, then the person asked the old man sympathically, brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. The old man hesitated minute to answer an unknown answer. Later, the old man replied, I am very poor and I took the loan from the money lender to get my daughter's marriage. Though I tried hard, I did not repay the loan. Okay, in this, what he asked, brother, tell me the reason for your sorrow. It doesn't mean that he is ready to help. It doesn't mean that you believe in me, you will believe in me and tell me the answer. No. And what are the options? The old man need his help. It doesn't mean that he will help. Understood? It doesn't mean that he is unknown person. Did not feel that Ishwara Chandra unknown person. How you can feel unknown person as a not unknown person? So everyone in the class, have you understood? I have understood. I think you didn't understood. I think you are understood. If you understood, you show your thumb. Else show like this. Honestly, I need honestly. If you understood, show your thumb. Remaining, no need. No need of showing a thumb or like this. Okay, very good. You are honest. I will appreciate you for your honest. Okay. Here first, see this question and options carefully. Finally, for what reason? What is the reason behind the old man tell the reason for his misery? Okay, this class will end within 1 minute. After this ending of this class, you may rejoin again. Okay. Okay. More. We will complete only one passage in this class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 passages are there. 5 are no 6 passages. More 5 questions there. Okay. After completion of this class, you may rejoin again. Okay. I am going on explaining for that much time. Okay, next, the old man was very much worried in the court because no, here not. Why did Ishwara Chandra ask the court? This is not question is finally, for what reason the old man tell the reason for his misery, his problem. Why? What is the reason behind